What's up, Free World family? Happy Valentine's Day.
From us to you. We haven't left the apartment all day.
We've been chilling, getting some content pumped out for you guys. You know, go check that new video, just dropped. Tonight we're going to go get some dinner. It's about, what time is it right now? 6:38, and Azaria is hungry. We're all hungry, so we're going to go get some dinner, have a Valentine's Day dinner. Hopefully we can find some flowers and chocolates. And just make the night feel special. But like we already said to each other, like, how much more special can it get? We're in another country. We changed our life, and we're ready to bring this to another level.
Right now we're at the dog park letting Astra get her Valentine's Day love time in.
Mammies.
Astra found the friends, and it's a stray dog.
We don't know if it's a stray. He's pretty clean.
He is pretty clean.
And he's healthy. His body is solid. Sometimes people just be letting their dogs
just loose. He might not be a stray. He does not look like a stray for sure. He's not.
He's really.
No, he's really not skinny or anything. So obviously he's eating consistently.
He's healthy. He's look clean. His coat is clean too.
Yeah. So possibly not a stray dog, just a loose dog. But they're having a good time.
Sweet doggies.
So we're on our way looking for food, and Astra's friend decided to follow us. He joined the gang. He joined the Free World family.
See that soccer memes? See that soccer memes?
So we came across the place that had two places to eat.
Sit.
And right in between the two is a soccer game.
Sit down. Sit. Astra.
This is like really cool.
Fire.
This is walking distance from where
you can watch from your apartment too.
This was walking distance from our apartment. It was just an uphill walk, so it was like a workout.
A little bit on the legs. Maybe somebody down there watching it. Oh, look at the eye, man. He's a good girl. Sit down, sit.
She was just playing with that dog, so she's just so hyped up. So we're leaving the soccer game now. And the food spots are literally right here.
They're weird.
So this is option 1 and option 2. The street is huge, super busy. So the food, so we finally found this place after all that walking.
The spot.
It's crazy because all I really wanted for my Valentine's Day was some fairy lights.
And I just really need some flowers. We need some flowers for Valentine's Day, but it's hard to find some flowers.
I guess they don't really celebrate it down here. It's kind of hard.
These are our little plates. These are little pizza plates.
Pizza plate is so funny.
Colombian pizza plates. Beanie's trying to reach for every fry she can grab. There you go. Do your thing, Juju.
Oh, it's good.
And we got a good-looking pizza over here.
Yeah, it looks really good. Astra just got some free water.
Yo, she's lit. We all lit in the spot.
The view is pretty good. You know, we can hear the river. There's people just walking by. It's a really nice spot. Definitely nice. Nice place to spend Valentine's Day for sure. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
I love you.
I couldn't really ask for any more than living in another country.
A new life.
Right, I couldn't ask for more better than a new life, but
new life.
This is, you know, just icing on the cake.
Got a little cheddar sauce, a little ketchup, chicken pizza, half chicken, half tomato. Looking good, looking good.
And we'll see how much it is, and we'll let you guys know how much we spent on this meal with some drinks as well.
We probably should have asked that. We know everything is half price here.
Yeah, so we just found out that you're supposed to eat the pizza on the plate.
Like this. And then boom, you got a little hole right there, a little slider grip. So you just slide the pizza forward, you know what I'm saying? You just slide it. I mean, it's crazy, it's cool. It's good technology. Oh my God, slip.
How How is it?
How's the pizza?
Yeah.
I say it's not New York pizza,
Of
but the
course, it's
chicken is
never
good.
gonna be New York pizza.
The chicken is good. The chicken is fire. Hold on, let me see one more time.
It's good.
Yeah?
You don't like it?
I'm not warm. How was your dinner?
I had a good first Valentine's Day.
And we got videos for you to remember.
We're walking back to our building. It seems like the lower class area. We can see this place from our balcony. But it's actually a little bit nicer from the inside than it looks like from up top.
Yeah, it's nice.
Some street art. So it's not too far of a walk from where we're staying.
Yeah, we're
at.
right.
We're like really right there. So now we know that's a good spot to go on a late night.
Run around for a few minutes. Oh yeah. If we ever really want a nice dinner, we go right there for a pizza or whatever. Back in the spot.
It's literally right across the street of like where we're staying.
It's crazy because
That's
we
the
low
bar
key.
building over there.
We low key just end up getting everything we wish for. Like we wanted a dog park. We walk out the building, we have a dog park. We don't have that. We didn't have that before we was living. So everything we're getting, we're just getting better. Is it as nice and bougie? No, but that's fine with us. We're good. We love this, the action. We love the culture.
Asher doesn't even care what it looks like as long as there's dogs to play with.
Word. And there be stray dogs pulling up. Party time.
So it's basically day 2.
Official day 2. Day 3 don't really. Day 1 don't really count.
Right.
When we got here on Sunday, it was late, around 6 o'clock, 5 or 6 o'clock. We were zombied out.
So far, it's been really good.
What do you think?
It's been really good.
It's been really good. No complaints. What? All right, let's think about the positives and the negatives. How's that?
Because our building has legit everything.
And more.
And more.
Too much.
Right. We have a full gym, sauna, steam room, pool, public bath, like the bathroom area, changing area, shower. So it literally has everything we want and more. So it's easy to spend time at the apartment.
Get everything we need to get done.
Yeah. And the view is just so crazy. It's just it's fun just being inside the apartment. And then when we come outside, there's so much activity. It's like it's just so exciting just to be outside. It's crazy.
As far as negatives go, I would honestly say the food is a letdown here.
Yeah.
Because we just expected more cultural food, like, you know, I don't know what Colombians really eat, but a lot of the food that we see here is just fried food, and we were looking for, like, you know, clean, raw,
authentic food, right? It might be in the area that we're in, so hopefully the more that we explore, the more we will find. We are moving in about another week or so, so hopefully wherever we go next, it'll be...
What date do we actually leave?
We leave March 1st
March
from
1st.
here.
So what's today's date?
February 14th. Because it's Valentine.
Oh damn, so we got basically another 14 days.
Yeah.
So we have a full 2 weeks after this. Because there's 28 days in February, so we're right on time. We have a full 2 weeks. We're just getting started. Just stay tuned.
We're back at our building. Security on deck.
Astro, come in.
Cerrando. Juice. Take your shoes off.
Sorry. Alright, we hold on, I'm gonna drop this garbage in the shoe.
Yeah, let's go. there's a garbage chute in the building. Never experienced a garbage chute before, so experience it for the first time with me.
With us.
Wait, you got the key?
No, don't close it. That's too savage.
That's why I was trying to close it. I didn't want it to come out.
Mix.
Okay.
This is high class shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't get this type of shit in America. Oh, you gotta pay a top dollar for it. It stink though.
The stink.
It stink that. Nah, but that's convenient, bro. Like, what else can you ask for? Like I said, the building has too much. Fun, huh? Wow.
You're so juicy.
That was fun.
Nothing beats coming home to this.
That's right. And home is wherever we are. So
As long as we're together, that's where home is.
we're gonna get a lot more of this.